What's going on, everyone? Got a 2016 GMC Terrain, and today we're going to replace the remote batteries.
All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and flip the key open, and what we're going to do is just basically take this panel off the back right here. It's going to use a small flathead screwdriver. I'm going to go in like this, sideways, and I'm just going to pry it open, okay? And it's just the cover comes right off just like that. All right. So once you get it off, you can see how the battery is kind of placed in this little holder here. Just going to push it down a little bit and pry it right out with a screwdriver. I'll show you what size battery it is with the new one. And if we look, it is, the size is a CR 2032 with the positive sign facing out. Goes into the holder like this. We just push it right back in there. If you need a battery, check out the description box. There's going to be a link. It takes you to Amazon where you can get some batteries for like $1. So if you need a battery still, check that out. But you just get the cover, stick it on here, snap it back on, and the key goes down. You're done and good to go. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe.